Yes, there is Malta at the very end.
Father is the gardener. I am the vine, and you are the branches. Who are you to speak of the Father?
On Trafalgar Square.
So beautiful on the outside, inside talk.
Trafalgar Square, session.
Jerusalem, you.
Let's try to get closer.
A nice little puppet.
Let's see if there is an entrance. Well, it's on the screen. Welcome to London. Let's see if we find Malta with decks.
Is this how you treat my father's house? How could this be?
Yes, there is Malta at the very end. So I managed to find another Malta in London.
It is written, my house is to be called a house of prayer. You turn it into a den of thieves.
So that was nice. Another Malta in London. How do you enter? Is there a queue? See if there is an entrance over there.
The children. That baptism. Was it from heaven? Men. Trick. If it's like from heaven, I'm going to say, why do we not believe it? No, it would be sick from men, the people will be upset with us because they believe John was a prophet. Tell me. We can't put a foolish in front of this crowd again. Tell me.
This seems to be the entrance. Okay, you can go in from here. I thought it was closed off.
Build a wall. All round. Stop with a wine press in the centre. Water tower. And when all was finished, we rented the land to the farmers. Went away for a long time. Now,
London is open.
sent servants to the farmers so that they might get in some of the fruits of the vineyard. Then the tenant saw the servant. Oh, they beat him. Sent him away empty-handed. So the master sent the second servant. This one they also beat. Sent away empty-handed. So the master sent a third servant. This one wounded him. Threw him out of the vineyard. So the owner thought to himself, what shall I do? I know. I'll send my son. My love. I'm not. Nor am I. We'll show them. Even if they see this, the high priest will trap. He'll trap all of us. We shouldn't be here. No, we shouldn't be. We should be out in the temple. As we always are. Son of Man is to be offered up. But why? I don't understand. does make sense.
There, Master.
Can it all go back?
Very upset, Your Honor.
Judas, why was this expensive perfume not sold?
And the money given to me to give to the poor as we have always done.
It doesn't matter.
No, I want you to go back for that. Such costly stuff worth what? A year's wages? Mary, get up! Whoa! You should come to me beforehand so that we could arrange for some. Mary, she's done a beautiful thing. Judas, this oil was been used in my burial. It's right, she's used it now. Brothers, remember what she's done. Judas, the poor are always with you. Only with you a little while. But this will not be Judas.
Move that side, please. That side, please. Move that side, please. Please, please, please. Move that side.
Peter, John. The end is now starting. And you must play your part in what's to come. God, join the others. Give me your body here.
No one could perform the miraculous signs you do unless God was with you.
The kingdom of God is near for all to find. First you must be reborn.
But how can a man be born again when he's old? I mean, must I enter again into my mother's womb?
Man is born of both flesh and spirit. When you're born as a child, you're born of the flesh, but when you receive life from the spirit, then you are born again.
I don't understand.
Man cannot enter the kingdom of God unless he is born of both water and the spirit. You shouldn't be surprised at my saying you must be born again. The wind blows wherever it pleases. Nicodemus, can you tell me where it comes from?
No, I can't.
Well, can you tell me where it goes to?
I can't tell you that either.
So it is with rebirth in the spirit. Now, I speak of earthly things, but these priests, these Pharisees, they don't understand it. How then can I talk to them of heaven? I came to save the world, not condemn it.
I believe that, but they don't. I don't know what to do.
Love God with all your heart, and all your mind, and all your strength. And then go and live in the light of peace, so that men will see what God has done.
I will. Thank you.
Farewell, Nicodemus. And so we will soon. Man will pour out my earthly life. Yet, as I have often told you, and as was written by the prophets, on the third day I will be raised up. But this night, you will all fall away from me. No. It is written, I will strike the shepherd, and the sheep of the flock will be scattered, and the sheep of the flock will be scattered.
But we are not sheep! Yes,
My Lord Jesus! Though they all fall away from you,
We're not going to do that!
I never will.
Peter, I tell you this. This night, before the cock crows, you will deny 3 times that you even know me.
Me? Deny you? Never!
3 times, Peter. 3 times. Before the cock crows. No, I haven't much time. I must go and pray. Wait here. Come, brothers, we're going to Gethsemane. My Father is the gardener. I am the vine, and you are the branches. Any branch of mine that does not bear fruit, he'll break it off. But any fruiting branch he'll prune clean to make it more fruitful still. But Lord, how can we be fruitful? A branch cannot bear fruit unless it's remained joined to the vine. In the same way, you must remain joined with me. Anyone who remains in me will bear much fruit.
How can we remain joined to a vine? There is no vine that will be joined to you.
John, if you heed my commandments, you'll dwell in my love